How to get more clicks on Fiverr. Hey, my name is Susan Fouché, and I'm a top-rated seller on Fiverr. And if you are tired of not making sales on Fiverr, then you came to the right place. My 6 Steps to Six Figures on Fiverr does exactly that. So if you're ready to make your first $100,000 in sales on Fiverr, keep watching. So let's talk about something that's really important on thumbnails that will improve your click rate and will also improve your order rate as well. This is kind of like marketing 101, but I see a lot of Fiverr sellers who don't do it, and the ones who are successful I see actually do it. And that is a call to action, or CTA, as some people like to use, whatever. But it's just kind of like sales 101. Tell the prospective buyer what they need to do. Walk them through the process. So I did some just like little searches on Fiverr for jobs that I don't do on Fiverr. I'm a voice actor on Fiverr, but I always like to sort of see what everyone else is doing. So I just did a quick little search for ghostwriter. And then it came up with the automated search came up with romance. So I just went ahead and clicked on romance. So this is the search results that I get. You can see these thumbnails. There's really only one that has a call to action that tells the prospective buyer what to do. And that is this one right here, Ashley Zhang. And she has a little click me button or graphic on her thumbnail. And I'm just telling you, it makes me want to click it. I see click me and I'm like, oh, I really want to click this. The other thumbnails here, they don't tell me what to do. I mean, and you might think like, okay, well, duh, we're supposed to click there. Like that's where we come to Fiverr. We know we're supposed to click there. But the fact of the matter is you have to walk the buyer through the process. And by just having a simple call to action of click me, it will improve your click-through rate. I have a feeling that if I talked to Ashley, she would probably say like, yeah, my sales are pretty good. And you can see she's got 349 reviews versus all the others, which don't have as many reviews. So let's look at her thumbnail close up. I mean, you can see like it's got a lot of other information, but the thing that really stands out is click me. So that is one example of a call to action. Oh, and by the way, she's got 6 orders in her queue and her basic price is $55. So Ashley's making money on Fiverr. You know, this is how you do it. It's these little things that add up to big sales and making money on Fiverr. It can be done. I promise I've done it. So here's one example of a call to action, click me. Let me give you another example of a call to action. It's the most basic one, and that is this one. Magical Writer 1 has a call to action of order now. If you don't have any other call to action on your thumbnail, at least have order now. And I think order now kind of belongs on the like second or third thumbnail or even on your PDFs rather than like just right away order now. I think like on your first thumbnail, if you are going to have a call to action, it should be click me, but I wouldn't have too many calls to action. Like just kind of pick one, whichever one you want, order now, click me. I'll give you another example in a minute, but order now is really helpful. I have an order now on all of my gigs and I think it helps. I mean, we're just guiding the buyer through the process, telling them what to do, even though it seems like, duh, they should know what to do. It's just a way of helping them through the process. All right, so order now. Here's another example of a call to action. And this seller is a rock star. She's all over YouTube as well. And she writes ebooks. She's a writer. Her call to action is, please send me a message for a custom quote or to review additional writing samples. So her call to action is a little bit different, but it's still kind of like touching the prospective buyer in a different way, saying, hey, I really want to have a relationship with you. Maybe like if you're not ready to order because my prices are really high, go ahead and send me a message. I'm completely open to that. So call to action, I gave you 3 different examples. Click me, order now, or message me. And I think message me for this particular gig right here is really 100% absolutely appropriate because her prices are really high. $400 is her starting price versus like, the typical like Fiverr, whatever, $5 order. So to kind of just say like, hey, I get it. My prices are high. Just go ahead and message me. You never know. So use one of these calls to action. I'll show you what I have on mine. This is on my 3rd thumbnail and it just says order now. And it looks like a sticky note. But then also on my PDF, my 2nd PDF, I give them instructions on how to order. Ordering is easy. Here's what you do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It's just walking the buyer through the process. Because the thing is, they don't know us, and even though it's Fiverr, nobody who has a business ever wants to waste their money. Nobody who wants to do something, with their hard-earned money and investing it into their business wants to just waste it. And so by just walking them through the steps, it's reassuring them that you are a professional, that you're going to do a good job. Don't worry, I got you. It's going to be easy. It's going to be painless, and the investment is going to pay off. So calls to action are really, really, really important. All right, so if you found this video useful, then you should check out my mastermind group. I have a mastermind group every single 4th Saturday of the month. It's a whole bunch of Fiverr sellers from all different areas who sell everything and anything on Fiverr. We put our heads together. I show you the best practices on Fiverr to increase your sales. Be sure and click the link in the description for the Fiverr Mastermind group and register now. All right, have a great day. I can't wait to see you next time, and I can't wait to see you at the Mastermind group. All right, bye.